Hey guys, so today what we are going to look at is the formula of Vlookup. This is the most commonly used formula, but the formula with which most of the people struggle. So let's begin. Here I've already prepared a set of data. So for Vlookup, for example, if I have to know what is the price of laptop, that is 80,000. So here I'll just type laptop. The formula for Vlookup is equal to Vlookup lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but the value for which I need the price. In this set of data, I need price for the item laptop. In your data, it could be anything else. So the lookup value should be laptop because I want to know the price for laptop, comma, table array. Table array is nothing but the set of data where you want to look out the value against laptop. Column index number. Now I want to know the price of laptop, so which is in column number 3, because top products is my column number 1, product code is column number 2, and price is column number 3, comma 3, comma. Now 0 stands for false, that is exact match, and 2 stands for approximate match. So here I'm going to use 0 because I want exact match. Bracket close. So here I'll get the price for laptop, which is 80,000. Now in a similar manner, I need price for any of the other products. Say for example, I need price for the item mobile. So here I'll get the price for the item mobile. The most important feature in Vlookup is that your lookup value, that is this particular item or any particular thing, should be a unique number or a unique value, basis which you can pull out the result against that value. I hope this helps. Thank you.